What's going on? Good morning. Today, Kia Sorrento in for a full detail, and let's see what we got.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Alright, welcome back to another video. This full detail, which will consist of the engine detailing, which I'll be using the degreaser, soft brush, a wheel woolly, and a detail brush. Let's see how this turns out. Now, using a water nozzle with a shower head is one of the safest ways of rinsing off your engine once you've cleaned everything up and get all the degreaser off of it. If you don't have some form of pressurized air to blow your water out of your engine area, try using your shop vac, taking the hose off and flipping it around to where it blows out instead of sucks in, and that works just fine. Now that the engine's done, I'm going to move to the outside, start with all 4 tires and rims, get them all nice and cleaned up, and then start the wash. I'm using the Foam Blaster 6, which adds variable foam action to the paintwork during my car wash without having to use a pressure washer, which I don't believe is always has to be used. It simply attaches to my garden hose, it's easy to use, rinses the car with foam and water, loosens up debris and grime. Then I proceed with my 2-bucket wash method, spray foam directly into my wash mitt every wipe with maximum lubrication. With the torque, anyone can polish paint, remove swirls and scratches, spread wax and sealants, clean and restore clarity to headlights, and more. The powerful 680 watt motor, 8mm dual action orbiter, throws and compacts the design and delivers powerful and consistent polished paint correction and cleaning results with minimal fatigue and wear on the user. And the torque is designed with built-in safety features to prevent the user from damaging or burning paintwork. The mechanical feature stops the machine from spinning on sensitive areas like the edges or dramatic contours. just before I put my polish on, I take some isopropyl alcohol, go around the whole vehicle, and make sure it's super clean just before I put this polish on. Light metal polish removes light stains, oxidations, and grime to restore maximum shine to tarnished metal surfaces, and then coats it with advanced sealant to protect the shine. It even helps prevent metal from being damaged. Wow, look at the way those wheels turned out. Turned out pretty good. Now we're going to move to the inside where I get all the vacuuming, carpet cleaning, the steam, get all the leather, the windows. Just go all out. Let's see how we do this. This is the driver's side floor mat. It did take me quite a bit of time to get this one clean, but after a little while, I did get it. final product here. Everything got done on the inside. All the leather got leather treatment, conditioner, carpets got cleaned, all the VRP got used on the plastic trims, Aerospace 303 on the dash, some before and after pictures for you guys. It just came out like phenomenal. This is probably one of the best transformations I've seen in a vehicle in a while. And a bonus I got for you, you're about to see this, the customer's reaction. Just want to say thank you for watching. All the equipment and products are in the links in the description below. Let me know what you think about the split screens. Comment below, let me know. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And here's your ending.